Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.
Hello, and thank you for watching this video on the Royal Sonesta Chicago Downtown. I definitely wanted to do a video of the hotel while we were here in Chicago because during our research, there were not a lot of videos on the Royal Sonesta Chicago Downtown. So I definitely wanted to take like a little short tour of the hotel itself and of our room. There is a restaurant in the hotel, but it wasn't open while we were there. As you can see, very nice lobby area. There were a lot of people just downstairs during breakfast time, just sitting down with their coffee, reading newspaper. There is a corner bakery in walking distance, so you can go there, bring your food back, lunchtime and dinner. I believe there's a smash burger in walking distance too. There are little snacks and juices and soda back there that you can buy for a fee. I'm sure double what you can get it for at a grocery store. But the fact that I do have that is nice. The hotel staff, they were pretty great, nice and accommodating while we were there. Just an overall clean and spacious hotel. Getting into the elevator here, the elevators were nice and clean. The elevators, they are touchscreen. They did have touchscreen buttons, and they also had a number pad. For whatever reason, you needed it there. We were on the 37th floor. The hallways smelled decent. They were nice. Opening the door here, this was a huge room to me. It was just a one king. This is not a suite, just a standard size bedroom. It was really nice, really spacious room. Restroom, clean, spacious, toiletries for you to use. The shower head, shower pressure was amazing. Shower head felt nice after those long days of Chicago walking. There, if you do drive, they do have parking about a block away. Our 4 days for $200. You see iron there, ironing board. They had a safe. And the reason why we picked the hotel was for the view. You have your view of Chicago there. It was snowing on our last day. A little icing on the cake. Wasn't too bad. It was just right. Thanks for watching, and consider this hotel on your stay.